Good day and welcome back to the third iteration of February Financial Friday. In today's video, I'm going to deep dive into the first investing app that I started using, the pros and cons, and if it's right for you. Let me preface this with I am not a financial advisor, I'm a complete beginner, which I think is why you're probably watching this video, because you may not have even started. I am still at the beginning of my financial journey. I'm just sharing what has worked for me and what I enjoy about these different platforms. Okay, we're going to talk about Freetrade. Freetrade is an app that lets you invest free of charge on stocks and ETFs and etc. I got put onto Freetrade after searching for Robinhood UK. Of course, Robinhood do not allow UK residents to use their app. This YouTuber, Anna, put me onto Freetrade. If you want to open a Freetrade account, top link in the description. Both you and I get a free trade. That's free money. So let's run through my portfolio. I'm just going to scroll through it here so you can have a look at it. I've been putting in between £100 and £200 a month for the past few months. My initial outlay, so how much money I've put in, is 900. It's currently sitting about 980, so £80 profit or £80 growth. It did get up to £100 growth, but stock markets, they go up and down. Stonks. So the next tab along on the homepage is the Insights tab. This is basically in the insights of your investments. So you've got the performance, and you can go into that and look back and see how yours has performed against the rest of the market. And you've also got the sector breakdown of all the different kind of sectors that you are invested in. The next tab along is the Discover tab. This is fairly self-explanatory. It's where you can look for stocks. Simple as. The next tab along is Activities. So in the Activities tab, you can see all of your previous purchases of stocks, if you've sold them, and most of all for me personally is you can see the dividends coming in. You can see when companies have given you your pennies. And the final tab is the Account tab, which is basically your wallet. So this is where you can top up and withdraw, and that's about it. So let's go into the pros and cons. Pros. It is, as you can see, super clean, super simple and easy to use. There's not a lot to it. There are other apps that I have accounts with that are not nearly as clean and simple as this one. So they are truly aiming towards a beginner audience. They have a pretty good amount of stocks, to be fair. They do have US and UK and all world stocks. So there is a variety that you can invest into. On to cons. So Freetrade is a technically free investing platform, but they do have a pro subscription, and also their stocks and shares ISA is £3 a month. If it wasn't £3 a month, then I probably would have already gotten it. But I think that maybe I'll open a stocks and shares ISA elsewhere where I don't have to pay a monthly fee to have it. The other con I can think of is that the information for the companies isn't that extensive. I would absolutely love to see ex-div dates and more kind of company info. But it's a free app. You can't expect them to give it all away. Overall, this is a incredibly simple and easy to use app that I think that would be a great first step for anybody that's looking at investing or putting away money, or most importantly, beating inflation. It's so simple to use, so clean and easy to understand that you can't really go wrong. And if you're interested in opening an account, please use the top link in my description so that you and I can get a free stock, which is free money. Remember to like and subscribe, and if you've got any comments, please pop them down in the comments. All my links are found in the description. Have a good week.